intercept form of plane is compulsory question in your board exam for 1 mark. Dear students, if they tell it is parallel to xz plane, you should leave x and z in intercept form. Equation of plane through intersection of two planes is given by p1 plus lambda p2 equal to what? 0. Always final equation should be in standard form. In standard form, we should not have denominator. Simple technique is convert this vector form to Cartesian, use the same old method, and you will get a plane in Cartesian form. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of three-dimensional geometry. Find the intercepts cut off by the plane 2x plus y minus z equal to 5. They want you to find the intercept. So convert the problem to intercept form. So now let us take 2x plus y minus z is equal to 5. So intercept form of plane, all of you know what is intercept form of plane? Intercept form of plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to what? 1. So RHS should contain 1. But what is RHS here? It is 5. So make it 1. So divide by 5 on both sides. Divide by 5 on both sides. If you do that, it will become 2x by 5 plus y by 5 minus z by 5 is equal to 5 by 5. Further, I can write this as x by 5 by 2 because 5 is not divisible by 2. So transfer it. I can write like this. Plus numerator can be written as denominator of denominator. Now y by is 5. It is in standard form. Minus or z by minus 5 I'll write because intercept form we want to compare it with intercept form. So x by 5 by 2 plus y by 5 plus z by minus 5 equal to 1. So now when you see this, it is in the form of x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. So in the place of a, therefore, a is equal to what? 5 by 2. Is x intercept. Is x intercept. And we can also write it as 5 by 2 comma 0 comma 0. What is meant by intercept? It is a point where the plane cuts the axis. Then in the place of b, we have 5 is what? Y intercept. Denominator of y. Y intercept, and in the place of c, that is minus 5, is z intercept. They want you to find intercepts. So we got the x and y, the x, y, z intercepts. So if you want to find the intercept, first you have to write it in what form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to what? Z form. So dear students, please remember, intercept form of plane is compulsory question in your board exam for 1 mark. If you see the past model papers, many questions has been appeared on intercept form. So first you become thorough with the intercept form of plane. What is the intercept form of plane? Intercept form of plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to what? 1. That is intercept form. So now compare it. In the place of a, we have 5 by 2. In the place of b, we have 5. In the place of c, we have minus 5. Next question. Find the equation of the plane with intercept 3 on y axis and parallel to ZOX plane. So it is parallel to what? ZOX plane. So first I'll write intercept form of plane. What is intercept form of plane? X by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Dear students, it is parallel to ZOX plane means xz or zx plane. So remove x and z. So then the equation of plane will be y by b equal to 1, or we say directly required equation of plane is y is equal to b. Dear students, if they tell it is parallel to xz plane, you should leave x and z in intercept form. We will be having y by b equal to 1. Transfer b to that side. Y is equal to b into 1. Y is equal to b. So therefore, in the place of b, they give y intercept. What is the y intercept? 3. So that is y is equal to 3. This is the required equation. This is also one of the important question. If they tell it is parallel to, suppose if the question is parallel to YOZ plane means, what is missing here? X is missing. It will be x is equal to a, parallel to this. So now in the question they told parallel to ZOX plane, or we say XZ plane. So remove x and z in intercept form. We'll have y by b equal to 1 or y equal to b directly you can write. And y intercept will be given in the problem substituted. And it is also one of the standard 1 mark question. Next, find the equation of plane through the intersection of the planes x minus y plus 2z minus 4 equal to 0 and x plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0 and the point 2, 2, 1. It is passing through the point 2, 2, 1. So very important, equation of plane through intersection of two planes. We name the planes as what? P1 and P2 is P1 plus lambda P2 equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane. This is the equation of plane through intersection of two planes, where two planes are, first plane is P1 equal to 0 and second plane is P2 equal to 0. If I give two planes, equation of plane through intersection of two planes is given by P1 plus lambda P2 equal to what? 0. So now P1 is given. What is P1 given? X minus y plus 2z minus 4 equal to 0. This is the first plane P1 and they gave second plane P2. So equation of plane through intersection of two planes is given by P1 plus lambda P2 equal to 0. That is, P1 means first plane, x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda times second plane. What is the second plane? X plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. This is the required plane. Call it as equation 1 is the required plane. Is the required plane equation. Dear students, first become thorough with the concept. If they want you to find the equation of plane through intersection of two planes, equation of plane through intersection of two planes is P1 plus lambda times P2 equal to 0. So we have a derivation. Suppose this is one of the plane and this is another plane, and we can write one more plane through the intersection of two planes, and this is, if this is P1 equal to 0, if this is P2 equal to 0, then this is P1 plus lambda P2 equal to 0 is the plane through intersection of both the planes in between. So now P1 is given x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda times P2. P2 means what? X plus y plus z minus 2. So dear student, first you should write the plane in P1 equal to 0 and P2 equal to 0 form if they are not given in standard form. But here both the planes are given in standard form. Now our task is to find lambda. To find lambda, they gave a hint. It passes through 2, 2, 1. So now required plane that is 1 passes through 2, 2, 1. Passes through, they gave a point. What is the point? 2, 2, 1. All of you know, if any plane passes through a point, you can substitute the point in the plane equation. What is the plane? They give x minus y plus 2z minus 4. X minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda times second plane. What is second plane? X plus y plus z minus 2. X plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. Now, this plane passes through the point. What is the point? 2, 2, 1. Now, in the place of x, y, z, substitute this. So, that is 2 minus 2 minus 2 into, in the place of z, what? 1 minus 4 plus lambda times 2 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So, 2 and minus 2 cancels. 2 1s are 2, minus 4 is minus 2 plus lambda into 1, 2 and minus 2 cancels, 2 plus 1 is 3 is equal to what? 0. So 3 lambda minus 2 you transfer to RHS, it becomes plus 2 and you will get lambda. Lambda is what? 2 by 3. First you should get the value of lambda, and that lambda value should be correct. Once you get the value of lambda, substitute in equation of the plane. So now substitute lambda value. What is lambda value? 2 by 3. Lambda equal to 2 by 3 in equation 1. So that is equation 1 is what? Required plane. What is equation 1? X minus y plus 2z minus 4. X minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda times, that lambda is what? 2 by 3 times the second plane. What is the second plane? X plus y plus z minus 2. X plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. Now dear students, we have denominator 3. So to cancel that, multiply by 3 on both sides. Now always final equation should be in standard form. In standard form, we should not have denominator. So to avoid that, multiply 3 on both sides. If you do that, x becomes 3x y becomes 3y, and this will become 3 2s are 6z minus 3 4s are 12 plus 3 into 2 by 3 times this x plus y plus z. So now you should multiply minus 2. So now for this equation 3, when you multiply, these two cancels. So we are left out with 3x minus 3y plus 6z minus 12 plus multiply this, it will become 2x plus 2y plus 2z minus 4 equal to 0. Further, you can simplify this. 3x plus 2x is 5x minus 3y plus 2y is minus y. 6z plus 2z is 8z. And the number values. So minus 12 minus 4 minus 16 is equal to what? 0. So this is a required plane equation. So our task is to what? Eliminate 3. So what is the required equation of plane through intersection of two planes? P1 plus lambda P2 equal to 0. Then find the vector equation of plane passing through intersection of two planes. So now we have done Cartesian equation. They want vector equation. Simple technique is convert this vector form to Cartesian, use the same old method, and you will get a plane in Cartesian form. Again convert it into vector form. Means you should know how to convert vector to Cartesian and Cartesian to vector. So one method is sufficient to solve. So dear students, if they give r dot ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap is equal to d, this can be written as, this is vector form, this Cartesian form is quotient of ijk is what? A. So make it as quotient of xyz, ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. This is the Cartesian form. Simple. They gave vector form, you convert into Cartesian form. Further again, this if you want to convert, you can convert back to what? Vector form. So because we know the technique to solve the problem in Cartesian form, better solve it in Cartesian form. So P1, plane 1, what is plane 1 they give? Vector r dot 2i cap plus 2j cap is equal to what they give? 7. So what is the Cartesian form of P1? Cartesian form is what? xyz quotients, make them as 2x plus 2y minus 3z is equal to what? 7. Or bring it to LHS, so it will become 2x plus 2y minus 3z minus 7 equal to 0. Always equation of plane P1 should be in the form equal to 0. Then similarly second plane, what is second plane? R dot 2i cap, this is plane 2, r dot 2i cap plus 5j cap plus 3k cap is equal to 9 they give. So now write it in Cartesian form, that is 2x plus 5y plus 3z is equal to 9. Bring it to LHS, so it will become 2x plus 5y plus 3z minus 9 equal to 0. This is the plane 2. So now they want the equation of plane through intersection of two planes. Same method. What is the equation? So required equation is P1 plus lambda P2 equal to 0. Task is to find lambda. So now P1, what is P1? 2x plus 2y minus 3z. 2x plus 2y minus 3z minus 7 plus lambda times 2x plus 5y plus 3z, 2x plus 5y plus 3z minus 9 is equal to 0. So now we wrote the plane equation. So our task is to substitute the point, because now this is the plane, this is the plane, and they told it passes through a point. What is the point? 2 1 3. So now put 2 comma 1 comma 3 in equation 1. Means in the place of x put x coordinate, in the place of y put y coordinate, in the place of z put what? Z coordinate. So here 2 into x, x is what? 2. 2 into 2 plus 2 into y. What is y? Y value is 1 minus 3 into z. Z is what? 3 plus minus 7 plus lambda times 2 into 2 plus 5 into 1 plus 3 into 3 minus 9 is equal to what? 0. Further simplify this. So 4 plus 2 minus 9 minus 7 plus lambda times 2 to the 4 plus 5 plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So plus 9 minus 9 cancels, and here 4 plus 2 6, 6 minus 7 is minus 1 minus, sorry, 6 minus 7 is minus 1 minus 10, it will be plus lambda times 4 plus 5 is 9 is equal to 0, or you will get lambda value as lambda is 10 by 9. This is the value you got for lambda. What is the lambda? 10 by 9. Substitute it. So substitute, put lambda is equal to 10 by 9 equation 1. 10 by 9 in equation 1. What is equation 1? So 2x plus 2y minus 3z. 2x plus 2y minus 3z minus 7. Then plus lambda plus 10 by 9 into second plane 2, 5, 3. 2x plus 5y plus 3z minus 9 is equal to what? 0. So this is the equation. In this equation, in the place of lambda, we got the value of lambda. What is the value of lambda? 10 by 9. We substitute the value of lambda. So now denominator is 9. Any equation should not contain denominator, but it has 9. So how to avoid? Multiply by 9 on both sides. Multiply 9 on both sides. So it will become 9 into 2x, or directly we will multiply. So if you multiply 9 2s are 18x plus 9 2s are 18y minus 9 3s are 27z minus 9 7s are 63 plus 9 9 cancels, will be left out with 10. 10 you multiply, 10 2s are 20x plus, because 9 9 cancels, and 10 5s are 50y, 10 3s are 30z minus 90 equal to what? 0. So 18x plus 20x, 38x, 18y plus 50y, that is 68y, minus 27z, 30z, that is plus 3z, and see minus 63 minus 90 minus 153 equal to what? 0. Check whether all are divisible by any number. All are divisible by 3. No. So leave it. This is the equation, but we need in vector form. So I can write this as what? R dot 38 I cap plus 68 j cap plus 3 k cap is equal to 153. So I am converting it into what form? Vector form. How to convert it into vector form? Simple. Instead of x, y, z, put I, j, k with r, and minus 153. If it goes that side, become plus 153. That's it. So r dot n is equal to 0. They wanted an equation. We got it. See here, first the plane they gave 2 2 minus 3. So 2 2 minus 3 is equal to 7. And second 2 5 3. 2 5 3 is equal to 9. And further we wrote 2 2 minus 3 minus 7 plus lambda times 2 5 3 minus 9, and lambda we need to get the lambda. That this is what is the equation of plane through intersection of two planes? Plane 1 plus lambda times plane 2 equal to 0. I converted into Cartesian form. Plane 1 plus lambda times plane 2 equal to 0. In the place of x, y, z, substitute the values x, y, z, 2, 1, 3. So in the place of x, put 2, y, 1 and z, 3. Solve it, you will get lambda as 10 by 9. Once you get the value of lambda, substitute the lambda. So a careful substitution: 2 into 2, 2 into 1, and 2 into 3 into 3, then minus 7, 2 into 2 again, 5 into 1, again 3 into 3, minus 9, 4 plus 2, minus 9, minus 7, plus lambda, 4 plus 5, minus 9, plus 9 and minus 9, this will become 9, and this 6, and minus 10 it will be. So solving it, you will get lambda, substitute the lambda value and multiply by 9, because denominator should be eliminated. Once you multiply, you will get the required answer. I hope all of you understood this. And here getting lambda is important. Once your lambda is correct, you will get marks. The final answer should be correct. Then we have further problem wherein they want equation of the plane through the line of intersection of two planes. Again same, but which is perpendicular to this. They want equation of plane through intersection of two planes, but perpendicular to this. First, what we'll do, required plane is P1 plus lambda P2 equal to 0. You know that. So first you write P1 in standard form. What is P1? X plus y plus z. Bring 1 to LHS, so it will become minus 1 equal to 0. This is P1. And then you write P2 also in standard form. What is P2? 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. Now you write the required plan. What is the required plan? P1 plus P2, lambda P2. P1 plus lambda P2 means x plus y plus z minus 1 plus lambda times 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5. So equate it to 0. This is the required plan. Call it as equation 1. Now is the required plan. So we wrote the required plan. Now we need to get the value of x, y, z. In order to get the x, y, z value, so they told a hint. But the required plan, we'll write it in standard form. So that is, we'll take x, y, z common from both. That is, here we have x plus y plus z minus 1 plus lambda times, what we have? 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5. 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5. This is the plan. So first write it in the form ax plus by plus c. How to write it in ax plus by plus c? Take x, y, z common from this. So now simplify this. So we'll have x plus y plus z minus 1 plus lambda into 2, 2 lambda x plus 3 lambda y plus 4 lambda z minus 5 lambda. Now take x common. Here we have x and here we have x. If I take x common, I'll be having 2 lambda plus 1 into x. Similarly, take y common. Here we have y term and here we have y term. So 3 lambda plus y plus 1 into y. Similarly, take z common. So z here and z here plus z. If you take common, 4 lambda plus 1 into z. Then we have minus 5 lambda minus 1 equal to 0. Now it is in the form of ax plus by plus cz is equal to 0 plus d is equal to what? 0. So dear students, if any two planes are perpendicular, then a1a2 plus b1b2 plus c1c2 equal to what? 0. So I consider this as a1x, b1y, c1z for first plane and d1. And given plane, they have given one plane. What is the given plane? They told this plane is perpendicular to x minus y plus z. Given plane is x minus, given plane, they have given plane x minus y plus z. So x minus y plus z is equal to what? 0. This is a given plane. So dear students, here we'll get a2 quotient of x. a2 is quotient of x, that is 1. b2 is quotient of y minus 1. c2 is quotient of z, that is 1. a2, b2, c2 you have, and a1, b1, c1 we have. What is a1, b1, c1? a1, b1, c1 is from our plane. From our plane, a1 means quotient of x. What is quotient of x? 2 lambda plus 1. And a2 is what? Quotient of y. b1, by, b2 will say. And c2 is what? Quotient of z. That is 4 lambda plus 1. You know, if any two planes are perpendicular, what is the condition for two planes to be perpendicular? a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 is 0. So now, since our required plane is perpendicular to given plane, we can use the condition. What is the condition for two planes to be perpendicular? a1a2 plus b1b2 plus c1c2 equal to what? 0. That is, what is a1? 1 into what is a2? a2 is 1 and a1 is what? 2 lambda plus 1. 2 lambda plus 1 into 1 plus a2 is b2 is 3 lambda plus 1. 3 lambda plus 1 into b2 is 1 plus c1. What is c1? 4 lambda plus 1 into c2. What is c2? 1. Equated to what? 0. So now simplify. 2 lambda plus 1 into 1 is 2 lambda plus 1. 3 lambda plus 1. 4 lambda plus 1 equated to 0. So 2 lambda plus 3 lambda plus 4 lambda. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 9 lambda plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 becomes 3 is equal to 0. So you'll get lambda is equal to minus 3 by 9. You got the value of lambda. Substitute the value of lambda in required equation. Put lambda equal to what? Minus 3 by 9 in 1, our required equation. What is our required equation? Here we wrote in the beginning x plus y plus z minus 1, or we have also simplified this. In this you can write in 2. That will be better. So if you write in 2, still further you can get the answer faster. But okay, better to write in equation 1 only. Why? Because better to write in equation 1 only, because denominator we can eliminate and then we can substitute. In spite of substituting lambda many times, in equation 1 we have lambda only once. So better method is to substitute in equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus y plus z minus 1. X plus y plus z minus 1 plus lambda times, what do they give? 2x 3y 4z. 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. So now that is x plus y plus z minus 1 plus lambda is minus 3 by 9, plus into minus is minus 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. Further, any plane equation should be in standard form. So to avoid denominator, multiply by 9 on both sides. If you do that, it will become 9x plus 9y plus 9z minus 9 minus 3 2s are 6x minus 3 3s are 9y minus 3 4s are 12z plus 15 is equal to what? 0. Further, 9x minus 6x is x and 9y minus 9y I can cancel. We have 9z. Here 1y, 9y it will become, and after you multiply minus 9, yes, minus 9 cancels, and then 9z minus 12z, 9 minus 12, that is minus 3z minus 15 minus 9, that is 6 plus 6 is equal to 0 is the required plane. So equation of plane through intersection of plane means what? P1 plus lambda P2 equal to 0. And to get the lambda value, they'll give any condition. First they give it passes through a point in first two problems. Now they give it is perpendicular to a plane. If two planes are perpendicular, then A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. A1 B1 C1 are the direction ratios of normal of first plane, and A2 B2 C2 are the direction ratios of second plane. So write the plane in ax plus by plus cz equal to d form and get ABC. ABC represents what? Direction ratios of one of the plane, and the other plane they give. From that pick ABC and do the operation A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0 because they are perpendicular. From that you will get lambda. Substitute the lambda in the given plane, you will get the required answer. I hope all of you understood this. Please practice this. Today, whatever the problems we have discussed, they are most important for your PU board exams. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.